In this chapter, we'll learn how to quickly and easily create reports in Adquio. Additionally, these reports can be automatically sent to your email on a periodic basis, daily, weekly, or monthly. To create a new report, go to the gear icon, select Reports, and click the plus sign in the bottom corner. Assign it a title, for example, Consumption Report. Enter the email address you want it sent to, and choose the frequency, daily, weekly, or monthly. In this case, I'll leave it as weekly. Let's start creating our report. Simply click the plus symbol. If we want to add a text, for example, as the title of our report, we do so by clicking on Add Text. To add variables with values collected by our SCADA, we add a tag. First, we decide how often we want this information to appear in a row of our report. Once per hour, every 5 minutes, every 10 minutes, etc. For example, we select once per hour. And using the Add Tag option, choose several power variables, such as Climate Power, Admin Power, ID Power, Develop Power. These 4 variables are enough. We can see that they are now included in our report. Since this column with hourly grouping aggregates several variables that may be collected every 30 seconds, we can decide whether we want this column to show the maximum value, minimum value, an average, or the sum of all values. The most common choice, for example, when reviewing consumption, is to select Average. For the other options, we follow the same steps. If we want to change the column titles, we click on the 3 dots and select Set Label. Instead of Timestamp, we can use Date and Time. This will show us a preview of how the report will look. Once finished, we click OK. We can see that a new report is now in our list. If we expand it, we will see all the reports that have been generated, in this case, 1 every week. If we want to force the creation of a report, we simply press the Play button. This generates the report, which will be sent to the email address we specified. If we want to download it to review it, we can do so without any issue. Upon opening it, we will see a report with the date ranges for the last complete week that the system has determined, including the date and time, the power consumed by the climate system, the power consumed by the administration department, the power consumed by the research and development department, the power consumed by the development department. That's how easy it is to create a report in our Adquio SCADA Cloud or Adquio SCADA server. See you in the next video.